thank you so much for tuning back in with me, Letitia McKinney. I am so excited that you guys were so supportive with my first vlog of a wedding, for real. All right, so on this timeline today, my husband's at work. I'm here at the location where they're supposed to be having their wedding at, but however, friends, this is not the hall right here. This is one of them I'm going to show you because it is so gorgeous, okay? And then I'm going to also show you the hall where we're going to be having the reception and also the ceremony as well, and how everything is supposed to be. Now that is why Tiffany and I is working together to try to make sure that this turns out absolutely stunning. But these drapes that she did are so beautiful. I love the starburst drapes. They're so gorgeous, but we cannot do it in the other hall. But we're going to have so much stuff to do today. Thank you for your support, with the lanterns, telling me about checking out Pure One. Thank you so much. And also IKEA. So I will check those places out. Thank you guys so much. So let's get off and get to work, everyone. Very, very stunning. This is gorgeous. Very beautiful. So now let's get to where we need to be. So at this location, they do supply the chairs, tables, tablecloths, and guess what? Lanterns, everyone. We are tripping, y'all, and they have some lanterns already here, but this is what they look like. What do you guys think? I'm still thinking white though. This is what the chair looks like down. I think the only thing that it needs is a beautiful, let me focus in, is a beautiful sash going across it, like a very dazzling sash. What you think? I really do. That's all it needs is a very dazzling sash, and that's all we have to do to that. That's beautiful. Okay, friends, so right here is where the head table is going to be, right up in this area. And then we're looking to be working with, I'm sorry for the lighting, the round tables. I will have the dimensions right there for you guys. And so she will like to have a dance floor right up in this area. Okay, and then right here is where she would like to have her buffet area, right up in this area. So let me show you how much space. I will have all of the dimensions for you guys below. I'm gonna stand about right here. So about right here, and I'm going to stand in this angle as well. Right here, she's with another client, so we have some time. So this is the space that we're working with. Now we're also going to walk outside because she wants to come in from out here. So I think on this side is where we're going to do the ceremony, right here. And she's going to walk from this area. So I wanted you guys to pretty much get a picture of everything. Can you envision that? Gorgeous. And this is, well, I don't know if you guys can see me, but hello. All right, so this is our space. And they have the speakers. You can probably hear some of the music playing on her phone. I think it's lovely. I think we can do it, you guys. I know we can. And remember, before I became her planner, I may sound like I'm out of breath because I have been running. Today we have some more places to go, you guys. And so we're going to make this work. Tiffany and I are going to make this work. So that's why I'm here today. So we're going to get some things moving around, and we're going to let you guys see what we came up with and tell us what you think. We're getting some of the tables moved in thus far. and we're still working on this thing. And so Cynthia was telling me about trying Pure One, so I'm going to try Pure One. They do have a little sale going on their pillows. I like that. So this will be my first time going inside of Pure One, so let's check it out. I have just fell in love with this lantern. Beautiful. And there were some smaller ones, so the ones that I like. Now the young lady and I was discussing, these are pretty to go at the, like in the ceremonial part. These are beautiful. Friends, it is a good morning. This is Saturday and I am still looking for some things for inventory, the wedding, and also an upcoming collaboration. I've never been to this Home Goods before, but I'm going to try it out this Tuesday morning. And also someone was so kind enough to send me personally an email telling me that Five and Below has some lanterns, so I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. So I'm just going to do some browsing around, looking around, and I thank each and every last one of you for being so super supportive during this time. It is so, like, we're so humbled by it, my husband and I. Thank you guys so much. It is going to turn out fabulous. And I will do a sit down talk video with you guys on all the challenges that we're facing in this wedding. But it is going to be wonderful. Thank you so much and have a blessed and wonderful day.